In today's unboxing series, we're looking at the Xtreem4K wire-free security camera. It has two-way audio, color night vision, sensor lights and siren, with always free local and cloud storage. Let's have a look at what's inside. The Xtreem4K wire-free security camera. It supports 4K Ultra HD video, night to day color night vision, a microphone and speaker for two-way audio, a controllable spotlight, and True Detect for heat and motion sensing. The rechargeable battery can operate for up to 120 days. Located at the top of the camera is the pair button, reset button, and a microSD card slot. It comes with a 32GB card pre-installed that you can upgrade to a larger one up to 128GB if needed. At the bottom is a QR code for device pairing in the Swann Security app, a speaker, a USB-C charging port, and a mounting hole for the included camera stand. A camera stand. It can be mounted to a wooden or masonry surface and allows you to point the camera in the desired direction. Screws and wall plugs are included. A USB-C charging cable. Connect this to a power adapter, typically included with your mobile device, to charge the camera. You can also use a power board that has integrated USB ports to charge. A USB-C to micro USB adapter cable. This can be used to connect a Swann solar charging panel that can be purchased separately. A port cover is also included to provide a watertight seal when a charging panel is connected. And a welcome pack containing the camera Quick Start Guide and theft deterrent stickers. The Quick Start Guide has an overview of the functions and buttons on the camera, as well as pairing instructions for the Swann Security app. It also has camera placement and camera stand mounting instructions. Download the Swann Security app for your mobile device to view the camera. Search for Swann Security at the iOS and Google App Stores. Our outdoor solar charging panel can be purchased separately. This allows the camera's battery to always be charged by harnessing the power of the sun. It's an environmentally friendly solution for set and forget convenience in your home security. Search for solar charging panel at swann.com or click or tap the link below. The Xtreem4K is Australian designed and developed. It has lifetime support with a 2-year warranty and always free local and cloud storage. The Xtreem4K wire-free security camera can be purchased at swann.com or from one of our authorised retailers. Thanks for watching.